How to get profit? How to get money from crypto trading? In this video, you will see our answer to this question. So, let's start. First advice about crypto trading was about how not to blow your deposit on emotions. And today let's talk about one of the main reasons why newbies lose their balance. This is FOMO. FOMO, this is fear of missing out. This feeling pushes people to jump into trades and without a plan just because everyone's making money and I'm not. How do you know FOMO has taken over? Let's see. You're refreshing the chart every 10 seconds like crazy. For example, you join to position and after that every 10 minutes you check. You check this chart and see did you have a profit or not. This is very bad. Go to another reason. You're buying coin you heard about 5 minutes ago. So you heard some coin and and you buy it now. You don't research this token, you just buy them. This is very bad too. You are using max leverage, trying to grab a quick profit. Leverage, this is very good thing and a very bad thing in one time. I give you advice for you. Take a very minimum leverage, because if you take a very high leverage, your liquidation price will be very close to your position. Let's go to another advice. You are reading charts and getting jealous of other gains, forgetting that 90% of people that are either lying or already losers. Why is this dangerous? Trading on emotions is like playing roulette. You're always late. You jump in when the market is already overheated, while the big players are just waiting to sell you their coins at a premium. How to avoid being victim? First, don't rush. If a coin has already pumped, you're probably late. Better wait for a correction or another opportunity. Set goals. Before entering a trade, know why you are doing it and where you plan to exit. Don't believe everything you see. People flex their profits, but no one shows their losses. Do your research. If you don't understand why a coin is pumping, stay away from it. Manage your funds. Keep most of your deposit in safe assets, a small part in potential projects, and only risk what you can afford to lose on speculative trades. Remember, the market isn't going anywhere and money rewards the patient.